Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an oxygen concentrator with a humidifier. First, find a flat, stable surface for your concentrator, ensuring at least 6 inches of clear space around the unit for proper airflow. Next, connect the power cord securely to a grounded electrical outlet. This ensures the unit receives stable power and operates safely. Always prioritize a well-ventilated area for optimal performance and safety. Now, let's prepare the humidifier bottle. Carefully fill it with distilled water, making sure not to exceed the indicated fill line. Using distilled water prevents mineral buildup and keeps your system clean. Once filled, securely attach the lid to the bottle, twisting it until it's tight. Always double-check for any leaks around the seal to ensure proper humidification. With the humidifier ready, screw the bottle onto the oxygen concentrator's outlet port. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten. Next, attach one end of your oxygen tubing to the small port on the humidifier bottle. Finally, connect your nasal cannula to the other end of the oxygen tubing. Ensure all connections are secure for an uninterrupted oxygen flow. You're almost ready? Turn on your oxygen concentrator and carefully set the prescribed flow rate according to your doctor's instructions. Once the oxygen is flowing, gently place the nasal cannula comfortably into your nostrils, ensuring a good fit. Take a moment to breathe normally and confirm you feel the oxygen. Remember to check the description below for a link to fantastic deals on quality socks and other helpful items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.